To create a step-by-step guide for beginners on skills to learn for making money in 2024, let's break it down into actionable steps. Self-assessment. Identify your strengths, weaknesses, interests, and passions. This will help you choose skills that align with your personality and increase your chances of success. Research emerging industries and job markets. Look for industries with high growth potential and a demand for skilled professionals. This may include technology, healthcare, renewable energy, or digital marketing. Develop foundational skills. Acquire basic skills that are transferable across industries, such as communication, problem solving, time management, and adaptability. Focus on digital skills. In today's digital age, having skills in areas like computer programming, data analysis, web development, graphic design, and digital marketing can significantly increase your earning potential. Learn a programming language. Python, JavaScript, and Java are popular choices for beginners. They have a wide range of applications and are in high demand. Understand data analysis tools. Familiarize yourself with tools like Excel, SQL, and data visualization software, e.g., Tableau, to analyze and present data effectively. Enhance your creativity. Develop skills in graphic design, video editing, or content creation to tap into the growing demand for digital content. Learn about search engine optimization, SEO, and digital marketing. Understanding how to drive traffic to websites and optimize content for search engines can help you land high-paying jobs in the digital marketing industry. Network and build your online presence. Attend industry events, join online communities, and create a professional online presence through platforms like LinkedIn. This will help you connect with potential employers and clients. Continuously learn and upskill. The world is constantly evolving, and so are the job requirements. Stay updated with the latest trends and technologies in your chosen field by taking online courses, attending workshops, or reading industry-related publications. Consider freelancing or starting a side hustle. As you develop your skills, explore opportunities to monetize them through freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or by starting your own business. Set realistic goals and track your progress. Break your learning journey into smaller milestones and set deadlines for achieving them. Regularly assess your progress to stay motivated and make necessary adjustments. Remember, building a successful career takes time, effort, and patience. Be persistent. Stay focused and keep learning to achieve your financial goals.